COVID hospitalizations in our state have risen slightly in the past 2 months. Even so, you can see it's several times lower than when hospitalizations spiked back in January of last year. Despite the bump in hospitalizations, infection rates here mostly remain flat. But nationwide, COVID infections are surging right as kids go back to school.
And help is on the way. As Griff Jenkins reports, soon we'll have a new COVID booster to help protect us.
The pandemic may be over, but COVID's not going anywhere. The CDC reports COVID hospitalizations went up more than 15% last week, with a 17% increase in COVID-related deaths. But there's more help coming. Moderna releasing new data on Wednesday showing its updated COVID-19 vaccine will likely be effective against the new COVID subvariant BA.2.86.
We have more tools and systems available today to help communities this fall and winter season, including safe, updated vaccines that will be available mid-September.
But as the virus continues to spread, some schools are bringing back those old mandates, including masking, as students return to classrooms. One school here in the D.C. area seeing a rise in cases, writing to parents, quote, staff in identified classes or activities will be required to mask while in school for the next 10 days, except while eating or drinking. And in the Midwest, the University of Michigan laying down the rules for students, requiring them to isolate off campus if they're symptomatic.
People can still protect themselves from this new COVID-19 variant, BA.2.86, by following our lessons learned.
The school mandates return despite NIH studies showing a lack of correlation between mandates and a reduction in student cases, prompting Ohio Senator J.D. Vance to propose a bill that would ban federal mask mandates through the end of 2024.
They use these mandates to turn one half the country against the other half of the country. That's what all tyrants do.
And they're even bringing the masks back at the White House after the First Lady tested positive on Tuesday. In Washington, Griff Jenkins, Fox News.